अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। टाटो बच्चों, आज तुहस शेमि जमात हज इंग्लिश किताब हुंद यह सबक चुनमुत यमुक उनवान टाइम यू ओल्ड जिप्सी मैन। तो आज अमिक टेक्सचुअल क्वेश्चन कर। गोडन्युक क्वेश्चन व्हाई डू यू थिंक द पोइट कॉल्स टाइम द ओल्ड जिप्सी मैन। तो अमुक आंसर लिखो, टाइम गोज ऑन ट्रैवलिंग passing by, it never stops anywhere, even for a second. Time is like an old gypsy man. And pats question number 2. What request does the poet make to time? And answer lekho. The poet implores the time to stop just for one day, just for some time. And pats question number 3. What will happen if time becomes the poet's guest? तो अमुक आंसर लिखो, the poet will welcome him. The poet will get so many things made for time, say bells for time's little horse. He will give golden ring to time. Question number 4. The poet is not the only creature that will honor time. There are others also who would honor it. Who are they? What will they give to time? इनका आंसर लिखो, little boys will sing nice songs for time. Beautiful girls will festoon time with lovely May flowers. The goldsmith will make golden rings for time, and peacocks will bend and dance. In question number 5. Who will sing to time? अमुक आंसर अत ऑप्शन दिथ, लिटिल स्वीट गर्ल्स, लिटिल बॉयज, पीकॉक। तो अमुक आंसर राइट आंसर लिटिल बॉयज। अम पे क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. व्हाट विल गोल्ड स्मिथ्स मेक फॉर टाइम? तो अत ऑप्शन दिथ, a necklace, a ring, a silver ring, a golden ring. तो अमुक राइट आंसर a golden ring. अम पे क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. Explain festoon with May. अमुक आंसर लिखो, the poet says that it will decorate time with beautiful and lovely things. It will decorate time. The festoon means to decorate with beautiful. You karo repeat base. The poet says that it will decorate time with beautiful flowers of the hawthorn tree. To festoon means to decorate with beautiful and lovely things. And question number 8. Choose a partner and discuss with him, her, why you would or would not like to be a gypsy. Amuk answers छे, do you like to be a gypsy? B. Who is a gypsy? A. अमुक बनाओ अस क्या पार्टनरशिप मतलब दोनों हज तो अख वना, डू यू लाइक टू बी ए जिप्सी, क्या तुझा यसान जिप्सी बनन? तो बी वना, हु इज अ जिप्सी? ब्याक वन हु नेवर स्टॉप्स बट गोज ऑन फ्रॉम प्लेस टू प्लेस. ब्याक वना, वुड नॉट लाइक टू बी वन. ए. व्हाई सो? बी. ही हैज नो होम. He goes from place to place. It is not a free life. A. But why? B. Freedom is there, but to miss home is not a freedom. I would always love to be at some place. Say my home. I can do so many things in the family. All are tied by love. There is no selfishness. A family cares for its members. A. Is it your opinion? B. Yes, I will never like to be a gypsy. اَمہِ پَتہٕ چھُ question number 9. Those people who never waste time succeed in their lives. Do you believe in keeping time in whatever you do in life? تہٕ اَمیُک چھُ اَمہِ پَتہٕ چھُ اَتھ پیراگراف لیکھُن کہِ یِم ہسا لُکھ ٹایمٕچ قدٕر کران چھِ تِم چھِ زندگی منٛز کامیاب گژھان تہٕ رایٹ شاٹ پیراگراف اَمہِ پَتہٕ چھُ اکھ پیراگراف اکھ لیکھُن کہِ اَتھ مُتعلِق رایٹ اے شاٹ پیراگراف about how you spent the time from morning till evening. تُہۍ لیکھِو سا اکھ پیراگراف کہِ تُہۍ کِتھ کٔنۍ چھُو پَنُن ٹایم کران یوٗز مارنِنگ پٮ۪ٹھٕ eveningَس تانۍ. Time is something very precious. Those who use time well are very fortunate. Some people have no such feelings as using time well, even if they have known that it never comes after it is spent. The best thing is to make good use of time. If you have something to do it now. We should not wait. It has been truly said that we should not put off till tomorrow what we can do today. I am an early riser. I take a bath regularly. I go out for a morning walk with my father. I come back at 7:30. I take my breakfast and go to school. I attend the school regularly. I am back home at about 2 p.m. I have my lunch. I take rest for about 45 minutes. I then complete my homework from 4:30 to 5:30. I go to play. I am back after 1 hour and a half. I again go to my room and read for about 2 hours. On Saturdays, I watch TV from 10:30 to 11:15 p.m. I watch cartoons for about 15 minutes. On Sundays, I see a movie, especially an old one or some film on war. I try to make the best use of time. This program keeps me happy. And question number 10. Your terminal examinations are very close. Make a timetable for yourself, allocating time for different subjects. Do not forget to keep some time to rest and play also. تہٕ اَمیُک آنسرَس منٛز لیکھو کہِ پرٛٮ۪تھ کانٛہہ شُر ہیٚکہِ پَنُن ٹایم ٹیبٕل پانہٕ بَنٲوِتھ. The students can make their own timetable. The various timetables must be compared and a suitable timetable can be made. The teachers may also be consulted for necessary instructions. تہٕ اَتھ صوٗرتَس منٛز گوٚو یہِ لیسن مُکمل تہٕ بِہِو خۄدایَس حوالہٕ. اَسَلامُ علیکُم.